Hello guys, welcome to Geek Squad Coding Series. I am Vaishali Anand and today's aim is to swap two numbers without using the third variable. Let's start writing our program, but before that we must see what will be our input and output. Input is any two numbers and output is the same numbers but swapped. The main task here is that we don't have to use a temp variable. Till now we have been doing this question using the temp variable and it has been very that way also, and it is easy now also. And this question I saw it many times, that's why it prompted me to teach you this. Let us start writing. We can use def function, means a function here. We can also use a function here, and we can do it without a function also. I will be using function, so def swap, and we will put parameters as x and y. Then what is the main code, main condition, or the main concept or the main logic that we are going to use here? So first of all we will add both of them. So x equals x plus y. See, here we got the sum of both the numbers. Let me comment here, sum of both numbers. After we find the sum, then we will subtract y from x to get y. So y will be x minus y. Yes. So what are we going to do now is we have to subtract x. No, again we have to subtract y, and that from x and to get x. See, you might be thinking what we are doing. We have here also x minus y and here also x minus y, but the value of y has changed, so we will get our correct answer here. So x equals x minus y. This ends our function, but we have to return their values. So return, let me write it leaving one line, return x comma y. Let's run it. There is no error. So let's now take the input from user. So x equal to int input first number and y equals int input second number. It's always good to write something here so that the user might understand what we want. Enter a number and enter second number. Let's run it. So let my first number be 1 and second be 2. Now we will call the function, so swap, and we will pass the parameters as x and y. See, it is showing the output 2 and 1. That means it has swapped the values for us. As it is showing a correct output, we can conclude that our code is correct. You can refer the code again if you want. Okay, let me try once more, and I will take the number somewhat big, so 67 and 87, and I will run it. See, 87, 67, it is running absolutely correct. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.